Let's understand the interlinking of money supply, interest rate, and economy. In this case, it could be economic output, income, money demand. Starting with a basic graph. See, demand of money is shaped by two factors. That is your income and interest rate. If your income is high or your income increases, you will demand more money. If the interest rate is high, you will rather want less money, because higher interest rates mean you can invest in assets. So the money demand curve is like this. In an economy, a money supply curve is supposed to be constant and decided by the central bank. In this case, it could be anywhere over here. If money supply is at the level shown, then the interest rate would be this much. If the money supply is reduced, then interest rate would increase. Now, we need to understand how this affects into employment or output in the economy. Considering the demand and supply curve for money supply on the axis of money and interest rate, we will try to plot in the axis of output, income or GDP and interest rate. Now, plotting for these points over here, now consider that the income increases, y dash is greater than y, then the money demand curve, as explained earlier, will shift. Now this is y and this is y dash. The money supply curve, like money supply curve on these axes, will become like this. This is known as LM curve. The investment demand or the spending is, as explained earlier, lower interest increases. Now we can see the interaction between these two terms. If at a same level of income or output, the money supply is reduced, then in an economy, the interest rate would go higher. Or if interest rates are reduced, money supply will reduce and outputs will also reduce. If the output reduce, then interest rate increase. Now, at the same level of money supply, if the demand increases, then also we can see the output increases. Output change from this level to change from y1 to y dash with the change in demand, that is y star.